making it possible for freight to move from point to point safely and reliably using autonomous trucks. The AFN begins with autonomous trucks powered by TuSimple software. These autonomous trucks travel along high-volume freight routes using digital maps, covering both highways and surface streets. Through an expanding network of mapped routes, autonomous trucks operate nearly continuously, transporting freight from one location to another. Along these mapped routes are a series of terminals we call launch pads. Launch pads are centrally located and serve as a start and end point for any mission. The AFN supports thousands of trucks at any given time, using a robust autonomous fleet operations platform called TuSimple Connect. The TuSimple AFN provides shippers, carriers, and fleets with game-changing operational efficiency, resulting in higher capacity, faster service at a lower cost, while creating a new standard of safety in the process. The AFN offers two types of service: customer-to-customer service, C2, or terminal-to-terminal service, T2. C2 service is reserved for carriers and fleets who choose to own and operate their own fleet of autonomous trucks and require each trip to begin and end at their own facilities. For high-volume shippers, the customer's shipping facilities become their own private launch pads, enabling C2 autonomous operations. T2 service is best suited for lower volume shippers and carriers who require additional capacity. With T2 service, the trailer is picked up manually and transported locally to a nearby launch pad, where the trailer is linked to an autonomous truck and autonomously driven to the destination city. Once the truck arrives at the destination launch pad, the trailer is linked to a manually driven truck and delivered to the final destination. Whether you are a shipper, carrier, or a fleet, the path to better logistics has never been clearer. TuSimple, a better path forward.